Okay, so there was a startup of my grandparents' neighbors 2004 2.5-ton Lennox Elite Series air conditioner. This was the second startup of the year. Unfortunately, I did not get the very first startup, but yeah, it's okay. This is the second. It's got a Copeland score compressor. Yeah, 2004 2.5-ton. Ice cold and sweaty. Yeah, it was just running a little bit ago, so. There's the fan motor. This is the downstairs unit. I don't know when it's gonna run yet. So there's like 85 degrees in this house before they started it up. So yeah, I don't blame them. And it's currently June 5th. So one of the latest first startups of any air conditioners. But yeah, and it was the second startup of this unit for this year. So yeah, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.